much, and how do you become for all those young kids out there that want to be able to hit fourth quarter jumpers? How do you do it?
My secret's already. Coach has a little bit of push shots on me. Now, honestly, I don't know. I think every time I was a little kid, I was just put in that situation, as I'm sure a lot of other teams have. And I don't know, the older you get, the more confidence you get, and sometimes you gotta let go.
For you now, you compare some of the similarities, maybe some of the differences 2004 2010.
There's similarities. There's both. I think team chemistry we had, similar both years. The way it fans embrace us, both before winning and after, very, very similar. But I have to say, there's something about the second one that just feels really, really satisfying. Obviously, not everybody was on the team for those 5 years. There was a few of us who know what it's like. To get back on top, to do it with people, to do it with the owners, to do it with the fans, it's really, really amazing. It's been a great season.
Especially
WNBA championship game. Very slowly earlier. This one was the sweetest championship out of your career. Why is that?
Well, I always think the next one's always sweet, so I hope my team gets a lot sweeter next year. But to be honest with you, this was a special team. There were so many people on this team. There's selfless that could have gone to other teams and maybe average more points. We have more individual accolades, but when you put it together in a team like this, like Brian did, you come up with a whole